Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps while signed into the account that manages or frequently edits this listing. Search the place name and tap to open its profile so you're working on the exact location. Accuracy matters because Maps ties photos to coordinates. Once done, select Photos or Suggest an Edit. Those are the entry points for adding or recommending replacements. You're initiating the change now to ensure the new image aligns with the existing profile and avoids duplicate or mislocated photos. You'll either upload directly if you manage the listing or suggest a change if you don't. Tap Upload Photo to pick a file or capture a fresh shot. Google prefers high-quality, correctly oriented images with visible landmarks. If you're suggesting a change, use Suggest an Edit, remove a photo or add photo, and include a concise reason so reviewers understand why the replacement improves accuracy. Make sure your image matches business hours and interior/exterior context to speed approval. You finish by submitting the photo or suggestion and monitoring the listing. Google reviews changes to prevent abuse, so expect variable wait times. If the change is not approved, compare your file to the photo policy. Low resolution, wrong location, or incorrect metadata often blocks it. Once done, make sure to retry with corrected files or request owner verification for direct edits. If problems persist, contact Google Business Profile Support or use the report a problem flow to escalate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.